Despite the vast distance separating Earth from a mysterious object traveling through the depths of space, experts within NASA's Planetary Defense Coordination Office were able to determine almost immediately that the unusual visitor was an interstellar comet, and more importantly, that it posed no danger to humanity. Senior officials emphasized this point repeatedly throughout the week, attempting to reassure the public after intense speculation. Associate Administrator of NASA's Science Mission Directorate, Nikki Fox, explained that the object is astonishingly distant, at least twice as far away as the distance between Earth and the Sun. In astronomical terms, that is an immense separation, one that makes the comet harmless, yet incredibly intriguing for scientific study. In a virtual event held on Wednesday, Fox and other high-ranking NASA officials finally released long-awaited images of the comet, officially designated 3I/Atlas. These images were gathered and processed by various spacecraft and telescopes between late September and October, during a period when NASA's public communication abilities were limited due to the lengthy government shutdown. Some of the high-resolution imagery reveals a faint but captivating scene, a small glowing orb, unmistakably a comet nucleus, with a soft, hazy tail trailing behind it like a spectral shadow stretching across the darkness of space. The clarity and detail in the images immediately captured the attention of astronomers and enthusiasts alike. Fox noted that NASA scientific teams were able to quickly confirm the object's identity, stating that its behavior aligned perfectly with that of a comet. It exhibited natural outgassing, a visible tail, and a predictable trajectory, all classic signatures of a long-period icy wanderer. She emphasized that no technosignatures or artificial indicators had been detected, dismissing fringe theories that the object might be a spacecraft or interstellar technology. But according to Fox, the most exciting aspect of 3I/Atlas is not its similarities to comets found within our solar system, but its differences. Unlike typical comets that originate from the Kuiper Belt or Oort cloud, this one formed in an entirely different star system. She described how awe-inspiring it is to observe something that predates the formation of our own sun, an object forged billions of years ago in a distant cosmic nursery. Because it was not shaped by our solar system's environment, it naturally exhibits unique chemical signatures and physical traits. These subtle deviations are what make it so scientifically valuable, inviting researchers to geek out, as Fox put it, over the cosmic history embedded within its frozen body. Interest in the comet surged in July, when NASA's ATLAS Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System telescope in Chile first detected the object. Its trajectory was unusual, its speed extraordinary, and its origin unmistakably interstellar. The discovery triggered immediate questions from astronomers, scientists, and government agencies alike. Interstellar visitors are exceedingly rare. Only 2 have ever been officially recorded before, Oumuamua in 2017 and Comet 2I/Borisov in 2019. Because of this rarity, every new detection carries immense scientific importance and public fascination. However, public curiosity evolved into concern when NASA was forced to delay the release of vital data and imagery. The U.S. government went into a record-breaking shutdown from October 1st through mid-November, preventing the space agency from providing updates or communicating findings in real time. The vacuum of information allowed speculation to grow unchecked online. Some imagined catastrophic scenarios, others proposed extraterrestrial explanations, while many simply feared the unknown. Amit Kshatriya, NASA's Associate Administrator, addressed this dynamic during the post-shutdown briefing. He admitted that watching global speculation unfold while NASA was unable to comment was surreal. Still, he interpreted the situation positively, recognizing that the enthusiasm and curiosity demonstrated by the public revealed a deep, worldwide interest in space science and exploration. During the shutdown, NASA's scientific assets continued to observe the comet quietly. An impressive array of spacecraft participated in monitoring 3I/Atlas. The Hubble and James Webb Space Telescopes, TESS, SWIFT, SPHERE-X, the Perseverance rover, the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, MAVEN, the Europa Clipper, the Lucy and Psyche missions, the Parker Solar Probe, PUNCH, and even ESA/NASA's iconic SOHO Observatory. Each mission contributed a unique perspective based on its location, instrumentation, and observational capabilities. Some monitored the comet's gas emissions, others captured images of its dust coma, while additional spacecraft measured its composition in wavelengths invisible to the human eye. According to Fox, these observations will continue for years, with the comet expected to pass near Jupiter's orbit around the spring of 2026. As long as it remains within the inner solar system, NASA will have opportunities to gather unprecedented data on the behavior and properties of an interstellar object. On Thursday, Kelly Fast, NASA's acting planetary defense officer, spoke with Defense Scoop and remarked on the rarity of interstellar objects like 3I/Atlas. Though this comet is only the third of its kind ever confirmed, Fast believes that many more will be spotted in the coming years. As ground-based telescopes become more advanced, as detection algorithms improve, and especially once NASA's upcoming Near-Earth Object Surveyor mission launches, astronomers will likely uncover an entire population of interstellar travelers passing silently through our solar system. Until recently, such detections were nearly impossible. Even the largest interstellar objects are tiny and faint compared to traditional solar system bodies. But with improved technology, scientists expect discoveries to increase dramatically, potentially reshaping our understanding of how matter moves between star systems. Another important dimension of NASA's monitoring efforts involves collaboration with the Pentagon's All-Domain Anomaly Resolution Office, AARO. This organization was created to investigate unidentified aerial, transmedium, and submerged phenomena that could pose national security concerns. Although 3I/Atlas is clearly a natural object, NASA's coordination with AARO highlights the evolving relationship between scientific agencies and defense institutions when it comes to tracking unknown or unusual objects entering Earth's neighborhood. Some interstellar objects share trajectories or characteristics that initially appear anomalous, so cross-agency communication ensures that both scientific curiosity and national security considerations are addressed. In the case of 3I/Atlas, the cooperation helped reinforce early assessments that the comet was neither artificial nor threatening. Both agencies were aligned in understanding that this celestial visitor, despite its dramatic entry into the solar system, was simply a rare and beautiful fragment of another star's planetary disk. Its hyperbolic path ensures it will eventually leave the solar system entirely, returning to the cold, interstellar void from which it came. The renewed public interest following the shutdown, combined with the scientific excitement surrounding the mission, has revitalized discussions about humanity's role in monitoring the skies. Many people around the world became unexpectedly invested in the story of 3I/Atlas, tracking its movement and awaiting images with a sense of shared wonder. NASA officials expressed admiration for this level of public engagement, noting that celestial events often serve as powerful reminders of how small yet connected humanity is within the vast tapestry of the universe. Each interstellar object that enters our solar system provides a rare opportunity to peer into the chemical and physical conditions of distant star systems, conditions that might mirror, differ from, or even predate those that shaped our own planet. For scientists, 3I/Atlas represents not just an object of study, but a messenger from another corner of the galaxy. The materials locked within its icy nucleus carry the secrets of ancient cosmic processes. Its rotation, brightness variations, and composition all offer clues about the environment in which it formed. Some scientists speculate that interstellar comets may even help explain how organic molecules spread across the galaxy. If these objects regularly travel between star systems, they might play a role in distributing the building blocks of life. As NASA continues to observe and analyze the comet, researchers remain hopeful that the data collected will reveal new insights into planetary formation, stellar evolution, and the nature of interstellar matter. Although 3I/Atlas is distant and harmless, its scientific value is immense. It challenges existing assumptions, expands human knowledge, and ignites curiosity that transcends borders and cultures. In the years ahead, as more interstellar objects are discovered, humanity may find itself entering a new era of cosmic understanding, one in which visitors from distant stars become familiar reminders of how dynamic and interconnected our universe truly is.